Hey, it's Lindsay. Today we have a 15-minute handstand push-up EMOM WOD, which is perfect for travel or anywhere because it involves no equipment. And we're gonna start right now. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're starting on our mat with our feet back and our hands forward, and we're gonna be doing handstand push-ups starting in 3, 2, 1, go. So we're putting our head in a nice triangle in front of our hands and trying to maintain that triangle and pushing back to open shoulders. This is our first exercise today, and each exercise is gonna be 40 seconds, trying to get as many reps as you can do. And we have 5 different exercises and 3 rounds. Good, keep it up, almost there. Good, and 3, 2, 1. Very nice, take a break, 20 seconds rest. Our next exercise is gonna be 4 hollow rocks to arm up, sit up, pike. So we're gonna be on the ground, rocking, and then we're gonna sit up to this pike position in 2, 1, and go. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and sit up to pike. Good, and so while you're doing this, make sure that you're trying to bring your core tight underneath your hips, and you're keeping your back nice and flat on the ground. And up to that sit up. So squeezing those hips under, squeezing those glutes, squeezing those quads, and then sitting up to pike. Good, 5 seconds. Last one. And up, good, and rest. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing a burpee, but instead of doing that push-up, we're gonna be doing 2 handstand push-up, or 2 pike handstand push-ups, and lifting the one leg up. So one leg, and then the other leg, and back up. You'll see. And go. So we're going down for that burpee. Good. Going into that pike position, lifting that leg up, handstand push-up, switch legs, handstand push-up, back in, and up. Good. Down for that burpee. Good, and here we go with the one leg up, handstand push-up. Good, switch legs. Good, and up. Nice, last one. Down, handstand push-up, or regular push-up. Get that foot in the center. Push-up. Touch that head in front. Push-up, in, and jump. Good. And next exercise is air squats. So shake it out, and let's get started in 5 seconds. As many air squats as we can do. Here we go, and go. Remember keeping those feet flat on the ground, that chest nice and upright. And you can swing your arms, you can leave them here, you can keep them down as long as it's not bringing your chest down. Keeping that chest nice and up. And trying to do as many as you can in this 40-second window. 10 seconds left. And 3, 2, 1. Good, shake it out. Last exercise of this round is jogging in place for our recovery. Starting in 10 seconds. In 5, 3, 2, 1, and go. Jogging in place. Recuperating, and now that you guys know the exercises, we can hopefully fit a few more in to each 40-second set. Good, keep it up, keep those feet moving. Keeping our heart rate up as we go into round 2. 10 seconds, and then we're going into those pike handstand push-ups again. In 3, 2, 1, Good, rest. Getting ready to do that down dog position, and we're gonna touch our head in the top of our triangle with our hands as the base of the triangle. So our head goes right here, hands go right there. Here we go in 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Down on the ground, down dog position. And here we go, touch that head and push up. Push up to open shoulders. Touch, push up to open. If this is a little bit too hard, you can always do knee push-ups. So here, touch your head and push up. That is a great alternative. Good, making sure you're not turning into a line, keeping that head at the top of the pyramid. Push open. Last one. Good. Maybe we can fit one more in. 2, 1, and good. Shake it out. Next exercise are those hollow rocks to pike sit up, starting in 10 seconds. And here we go, 5, 3, 2, 1, arms up. Remember, keeping those hips tucked under so your lower back touches the ground and rocking. 3 and 4, and up to that big sit up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and up. If you need to make this one a little bit easier, hands down makes it a little bit easier, and you can also tuck those knees in to help you get your lower back to touch. Ten seconds. Last one. Good, and up and rest. Next exercise are those burpees with the handstand push-ups. And we have 10 seconds. It helps if you get that back foot centered so you're not tipping all over the place. It makes it a little bit easier. Here we go. Down to the ground, do that burpee. Into down dog position. Center that foot, lift that leg up. Touch and up, switch feet. And touch and push open. Good, jump those feet in and up. Next one. And in and up. Burpee, foot center, leg up, touch the head in front, and up, switch legs, leg up, touch the head, and up, jump those feet in, and stand. Good, rest. Next exercise, air squats. As many as we can do in 40 seconds. Let's get it. 5 seconds, and 3, 2, 1, here we go. And squat and up. Good, keep that chest upright. And down and up as many times. 30 seconds left. Keeping those feet flat on the ground. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out. Next is jogging for recovery. And then we only have 1 round left. Starting in 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, here we go. Jog in place. Get those arms moving. If you want to make this even harder, you can get those knees up nice and high. Good, 15 seconds in, 25 seconds left. Just keeping that heart rate up before we go into our last section. So we have 5 exercises left, and you already know what they are. 10 seconds, and then we get 20 seconds rest. And 3, 2, 1, Good, shake it out and rest. Our next exercise is gonna be those pike handstand push-ups. Remember the triangle. So getting into down dog position, we have 10 seconds. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna touch that head in front of our hands and push to open shoulders. Good, keep it up. 30 seconds left. The goal is to be more vertical with your torso, so you don't want to be letting this turn into a push-up like that. You want to be looking at your feet behind you, touching the top of your head. We have 5 seconds left. And 2, 1, good. And shake it out. Next exercise are those hollow rocks. Getting ready to go in 10 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, here we go. And we're rocking back. 3 and 4, and sitting up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, sit up. Double checking this time and making sure your lower back is feeling the ground. Good, trying to squeeze those quads, nice tight legs. And up, 5 seconds. Last one, and up. Good, and rest. Next exercise are those burpees with 2 handstand push-ups in the middle. So, getting ready to burpee down in 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, here we go. Down to the ground, do that push-up, hop into down dog, center that foot, leg up, touch that head, and up, switch legs, and up, touch, and back in, and jump. That is a big combo. Down, touch. Good, switch legs, and up. Good, last one, 10 seconds. Good, jump in, stand up, and rest. Next exercise are those air squats. 10 seconds. And here we go, 5 seconds. Getting ready to keep that chest up, keep those feet flat on the ground, and go. As many as you can fit in. Good, really working those quads. 25 seconds left. Only 10 seconds left. Keep it up, almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Good, shake it out. Last exercise is our jogging in place for recovery. Starting in 10 seconds. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. This is our last exercise. So let's really get those feet moving and give it what we got. Good. 30 seconds left. Really working through those toes so you're pushing off the ground. Like that, you're not stomping down. You're pushing all the way through those feet. Good, 10 seconds, almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Good, rest, reach up, and let's reach over. Do a couple walking feet. Good, reach up again, and let's reach back and open up our chest. Good, and reach down one more time. Good. And we are all done for today. Very good job. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this one every day. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me today. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you want to get even fitter, check out this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.